Morning students, this is lesson number 8 of chapter gravitation, and today we are going to do some in-text numericals, that is from 10.1 to 10.6. Question number 1. The mass of the earth is 6 into 10 raised to the power 24 kilograms and that of the moon is 7.4 into 10 raised to the power 22 kilograms. If the distance between the earth and the moon is given 3.84 into 10 raised to the power 5 kilometers, calculate the force exerted by the earth on the moon where gravitational constant is equals to 6.7 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. So as we know, the formula for finding the gravitational force is F equals to G m1 into m2 upon r square, where me stands for the mass of the earth, mm stands for the mass of the moon, and r stands for the distance between earth and moon. We will place these values because all these values are given in the question. We will place these values into the formula and we have to do the calculation. And after doing the calculation, the answer will come out to be 2.01 into 10 raised to the power 20 Newton. So this is the force by which earth and moon feels the gravitational force. Moving on to the second question. A car falls off a ledge and drops to the ground in 0.5 seconds. Let g equals to 10 meter per second square. For simplifying the calculations, first, what is its speed on striking the ground? Second, what is its average speed during the 0.5 seconds? And third, how high is the ledge from the ground? So in this question, since a car is falling down, so that is free fall motion, so initial velocity is 0, acceleration due to gravity is given to you, and time is given to you. So we will apply the equation of motion under gravity, we will place the values, and we can see that the final velocity came out to be 5 meter per second. Now to calculate the average speed, you always add the initial velocity and the final velocity and then you divide by 2. So initial velocity here is 0, final velocity after calculation is 5. After dividing the sum of both, we will get the average speed to be 2.5 meter per second. Now for the third part, that is how high is the ledge from the ground, you know the initial velocity, you know the time, you know the acceleration due to gravity. We will apply the second equation of motion under gravity, and after placing the values and doing the calculation, the answer is 1.25 meters. Height is equals to 1.25 meters. Now third question is, an object is thrown vertically upwards and rises to a height of 10 meters. Calculate first the velocity with which the object was thrown upwards and second the time taken by the object to reach the highest point. So here an object is thrown vertically upwards. So if any object is being thrown upwards, there should be some initial velocity. So here what is given in the numerical, first we will note it down. Final velocity is 0. Why? Because any object which is thrown upwards ultimately comes down to the earth. Why it comes down to the earth? Because its final velocity becomes 0. Acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. Here it is taken to be negative because it always acts downward. Height is given 10 meters. Applying the equation of motion, third equation of motion, v square equals to u square plus 2gh, and placing the values into the formula, the initial velocity will be 14 meter per second. Now for the second part, we have to calculate the time taken by the object to reach the highest point. Means the time taken for the object till its velocity, final velocity becomes 0, that we have to calculate. We will apply the first equation, v equals to u plus gt. Placing the values, we will be able to find the time, and the time came out to be 1.43 seconds. Now the fourth question is, Mass of an object is 10 kilograms. What is its weight on the earth? So mass is given 10 kilograms. Acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. As we know, the formula of weight is mass into acceleration due to gravity. We will multiply both and we will get the weight. Weight is 98 newtons. Question number 5. An object weighs 10 newton when measured on the surface of the earth. What would be its weight when measured on the surface of the moon? As we know, the weight difference due to the gravitational pull of both earth and moon, the weight on earth, the weight on moon in comparison to the weight on earth of a person is 1 by 6. We are going to make use of this relation Wm equals to We upon 6. We are given the weight on the earth, that is 10 Newton. After dividing 10 by 6, the weight on moon came out to be 1.67 newtons. Question 6. A block of wood is kept on a tabletop. The mass of wooden block is 5 kilograms and its dimensions are 40 by 20 by 10 centimeters. Find the pressure exerted by the wooden block on the tabletop if it is made to lie on the tabletop with its sides of dimensions 20 by 10 centimeter and 40 by 20 centimeter. So the formula applied here will be P equals to F upon A, that is pressure equals to force upon area. Here the mass is given 5 kilograms and the weight is mass into acceleration due to gravity. So 5 multiplied by 9.8 will give the weight 49 newtons. Now according to the conditions, first condition is the dimensions of the sides are given 20 by 10 centimeter. So we can calculate the area. So area is 200 centimeter square, which after converting into meters will be 0.02 meter square. Now as P equals to F upon A, that is pressure equals to force upon area, placing the value of force 49 and the area 0.02, the answer is 2450 Newton meter square. So this is the pressure applied by the log of wood. Second condition is the dimension for the second situation is 40 by 20. So the area will be after multiplication 800 centimeter square. When we convert it into meters, it will become 0.08 meter square. Force we have calculated already 49 newtons. Pressure equals to force upon area. Placing the values and doing the calculation, the answer came out to be 612.5 Newton per meter square. So that is all for today. I hope you understood, and as homework I want you to practice these questions again on your own in a rough notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.